Today we're going to make pastry cream. We would need 1 litre of boiled milk, a lemon peel, 300 grams of sugar, 100 grams of corn flour, 6 York eggs and vanilla. First we're going to put the lemon peel into the milk. Now we're going to put the sugar and we're going to put the corn flour and we're going to mix. Now we're going to add the eggs. After you mix properly, you add a spoon of vanilla. We're going to add the milk in the mixture, but don't put all together or else the York egg will cook. Mix. After adding it to the milk, put it all again into the pot. After you pour it in, put it on the fire and mix until it is creamy. After it becomes creamy like this, you put it in the bowl. After you put all the cream into the bowl, you take the cling film and cover it. Now you leave it to cool down. With this pastry cream, you can make many types of desserts.